Question 25, Part B. Joe sells 3 different flavours of ice cream from 3 different tubs in a cabinet. The flavours are chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. Part 1. In how many different ways can he arrange the tubs in a row? Show working to justify your answer. We can use a tree diagram to show the sample space. Also note that it's selection without replacement. In other words, the same flavour can't be chosen more than once to be placed in a row. Now in the first stage, there are 3 flavours to choose from: chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. So let's say we chose chocolate first. That leaves either strawberry or vanilla to choose from in the second stage. So let's say in the second stage, we chose strawberry. So we've got chocolate in the first stage, strawberry in the second stage. That leaves only 1 tub left, which in this case will be vanilla. Looking at all the possible cases, there are 6. So chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and so on, all the way to vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. So there are 6 possible ways the tubs can be arranged in a row. Alternatively, we can use a dash diagram. So there are 3 dashes that represent the 3 tubs. Now in the first tub, we have a choice of 3 flavours. In the second tub, we have a choice of 2 flavours. And in the third tub, we have a choice of the last remaining flavour. And 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6, using the fundamental counting principle. Therefore, 6 ways the tubs may be arranged. Part 2. Paul buys an ice cream from Joe on 2 different days. He chooses the flavour at random. What is the probability that he chooses chocolate on both days? The probability of choosing any one of the 3 flavours on any particular day is 1/3, since each flavour is equally likely to be selected. So the probability that Paul chooses chocolate on the first day and then chocolate again on the second day is equal to 1/3 times 1/3, which equals 1/9. Part 3. Mei-Ling buys an ice cream from Joe and chooses any 2 different flavours at random. What is the probability that she chooses chocolate first and then strawberry? This is an example of selection without replacement, since we know the second flavour is different to the first flavour chosen. Now in the first selection, Mei-Ling has a choice of 3 flavours: chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. And they're all equally likely to be selected. So the probability that Mei-Ling chooses chocolate first is 1/3. That leaves a choice of either strawberry or vanilla. So Mei-Ling has a 1/2 chance of choosing strawberry in the second selection. So the probability that Mei-Ling chooses chocolate first, then strawberry, is 1/3 times 1/2, which equals 1/6. Therefore, the probability of choosing chocolate then strawberry in that order is 1/6.